Hello, Diffusor and peers. My name is Santiago Varias Mimizar. I am from the group 20, and today I will show you the 3 exercises about the workshop 3. It's about the pronunciation practice. Let's start with the first exercise. Okay, check the following Check the following sentence, mark the syllabic stress of each word, and record yourself pronouncing this sentence. Okay, the airplane taxi down the runway before taking off. Okay, second exercise. Check the following sentence, mark the word stress in the sentence, and record yourself pronouncing the sentence. The airplane circled around the airport, waiting patiently to receive permission to land. And the third exercise. I will read this paragraph, okay? Okay, let's start with. The moon is a barren, rocky world without air and water. It has a dark lava plain on its surface. The moon is filled with craters. It has no light of its own. It gets its light from the sun. The moon keeps changing its shape as it moves around the earth. And this is all. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Okay? Bye bye.